up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we're going to be prepping, because I thought I'm going to do a little series of this journal on how you create a journal for beginners, and this is the step one. Okay, so how you chooses and prep all the papers together before we go. In case you guys don't know, I've got a website where I sell digital papers, and also I recently launched my ebook, which is called The Artful Chaos of Reimagining Memories, a guide to beautiful junk journals. Now, this ebook I have printed, of course, on papers, but you can, being an ebook, you can read it on your iPad. And basically, this book was born simply by your lots of questions that you guys has asked on my channel. So I did some research, and of course I put some of my experience, and I'm just going to give you a quick flick through of the table of content. So in this book you will see that you will learn what is a junk journal, the origin of junk journal, purposes, therapeutic journaling, 30 types of junk journal, craft supplies you need to make a junk journal, variety of useful papers, adhesive, how to make it, the binding techniques, ephemera, characteristic, embellishment, etc, etc. So it's a very useful information. In case you guys wish to get this, I will put the link down below. But what I wanted to do in this video for beginners, number one of a little series, I just want to show you everything I've got in preparation to make my pink butterfly journal. I'm gonna show you in a detail in just a moment. But I've got fabric, I've got paper, and also I got my hand on this. This is from Amazon. It's a little binding bundle. So you get this one here, which will make, this little tool here will make holes to your page, and you help you to center the pages. A poker, I don't know how you call this, and then a wax thread and some needles. But before we actually make the journal, let me give you some tips of what you can get the most of your money. Okay guys, so let me show you what I've got on my desk. So when you start making your journals, you have to think, of course, the theme. So what is your journal? What's the theme of your journal? Or colors. Now, this journal here, I want to be an explosion of pink and flowers and butterflies. Okay, so that's my starting point. Of course, I have designed I'm using my papers, which they call Pretty Pink. So I've got a sample here. This is available on my website. This is the second bestseller after the blue butterfly, so which is like a blue version of this. I'm just gonna go a really quick flick through. So you've got some pockets, some pussycat butterflies, of course pink, because it's called Pretty in Pink. So you've got some butterflies to pussycat, some flowers that you can pull together, and there is a bow here, so you can just put your bows together. Background, 4 different backgrounds into one page, so you can make like your own cards, which we will do together. Another background, some embellishment. This is probably one of my favorite page, which is like a doilies, and I just put the butterflies on top. Another background, and more butterflies to pussycat. So it's just like quite a lot of pages that gives you the base to start your journal. Now, what I wanted to show you, the papers that I just have showed you, the beauty of digital papers is that you can print the papers I just showed you on everything. Okay, so the papers I have just shown you that I have designed, I print them on copy paper. See, just really cheap copy paper. And of course I cut them boards so they're ready to go. So that's 4. Also, you can print them on music sheet. No, so these are normal music sheet. I just put into my printer, and then you get another effect. So this is where you get the worth for your money on digital papers because you can print them on absolutely everything. So again, the same background. So these and these, let me show you. So those two pages are exactly the same background, but one printed on normal white copy paper and one printed on a music sheet. And then look, the effect, you get two different effects, but it's the same page. Another option, and I don't know how you're gonna see this, I have printed this on canvas. Of course, you can't really see it, but if I put it close to the camera, you see the text. In fact, listen. So if I do that with my nails, so you can probably see, this is a thicker canvas. Now, when I printed, I thought, oh, this is going to be the cover of my journal because it's, you know, it's very durable and, you know, canvas don't get creased. But then I thought, actually, I got a better idea, which I'll show you in just a minute. So this is going to be another page of the journal with the butterflies. And also another option is that you can print those pages on vellum. So you can see if I put my hand behind it. So this is how you get a lot of different textures, a lot of different effect on your journal. See, this is vellum, this is also vellum, and this is also vellum. Okay, so for example, I've got here, these are, which I'll show you in just a sec. If I can get that. Look how nice it looks with another pages on the back. See, got completely different effect. So yeah, so print it on paper, also print them on vellums, on canvas, on everything. We went to London, me and Jamie, when was it? Like November, I think. Oh, there's a bit of thread in there. So we went to an haberdashery shop and look what I found. This is going to be on the cover of my journal, which we're going to do a separate video because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. So look at that. Oh my God. I mean, it cost me so much money. I'm not going to tell you. Yeah, oh my God, it was really well spent. It's beautiful. So you got this beautiful flower. It's all pink, of course. And then you got pink pearls. Oh, it's beautiful. So I'm very pleased with that. Also, what I got from the same shop, some flowers. I don't know how to describe this. It's like a ribbon made of little flowers. Now, I saw this on Amazon as well. So yeah, just have a look on Amazon because I think I saw them. And then I got other bits and pieces. I got lots of fabrics pieces which we're gonna use to decorate, and I saw this and I had to buy it. Now this is more purpley. See, this is pink and this is purple, but I'm sure I'll find a way to use it. And also there was a section of scraps, and she put in a little bundle like that, and I got it because they were all these scraps fabrics, they were all sorted by colours. So I got the pink stash. So I got this lovely pink fabrics which we're gonna use in my journal. I mean, look at that. I love these. It's like a canvas, because I want my journal to be very full of texture, full of different, I wanted to, yeah, tactile. That's probably the right word. I want every page to be very different. And what I'm planning to do with this, I'm going to put some tape and use them as pockets. Oh, I love these. Look at that. That's so striky. And then I saw that, and then I remember myself. I had, this is one of the previous month's VIP digital papers that from my subscriptions papers. I have a similar, and I remember, I was like, yes, I have that. So this matched that. Look at that. It matches completely. So I'm gonna use this on these pages here. And then, so that's that. And then what I also got when I was sorting out the papers in my room, in my craft room, I've got, I put together all floral pink pink butterfly sort of paper that I had in my stash. I put them all together and I cut them to pieces. So this sort of size is nearly an A5. I just have to trim a little border. So they are mostly Stampin' Up papers, but I've chosen floral and butterfly. So they're all double-sided because I think they're all gonna match. There is also, I had this piece of vellum that I completely forgot I had. So again, this is gonna look nice next to a printed page. So if I do, I'm probably gonna use that on front of that or in front of this one here, just to give a little, you know. So I'm just gonna give you a flick through. But yeah, pull together anything that you have that you think matches with your theme. Okay. So yeah, so this is another Stampin' Up collection. I can't remember dainty, what's it called? Something dainty flowers, something like that. And I think this is white, yeah. So step number 1, put all your papers together. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna do another video for it, I'm gonna fold each page like that. I'm just gonna literally go page by page, one by one, and we're gonna simply fold them like that, so ready to be banded together. Okay, but we'll do that on a separate video. Okay guys, I'm going to go. I'm gonna get myself sorted, and I will see you in the next video in the next few days, where we're gonna pull the actual journal together. If you like this video, please consider giving a big thumbs up, and have a look in your fabric shops if you have any haberdashery or fabric shop next to you, especially this time of the year when they do a lot of sale. So you might get yourself some bundles, and trying to look at things in a different perspective. So don't have a look at, you know, oh, I'm never going to use that. Trying to look at different things with a different aim, if it makes sense. I love these. Absolutely love these. I'm obsessed with this. I can put this on my shirt. No, I don't think it's appropriate. Why not, actually? Right, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up, and I will see you very soon. Also, before I go, get yourself some doilies. So I've got some pink and white doilies ready to go as well, but another video. I'll carry on in the next video. I really need to go because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.